Okay, hi everyone. So I'm going to do this sharing sections. So just to testing myself, see to trying to learn from the Cisco Packet Tracer uh, with some example already found in the YouTube. So I just want to like see whether I can replicate and then see whether I can learn something from this exercise. Okay, so this is the original post. Okay, you can uh, go to see this guru. Okay, if you want. So this uh, exercise, okay, actually we need to design a simple network in the Cisco Packet Tracer to connect like two department accounts and the delivery. So each department should contain at least two devices, and then appropriate number of the switches and the router should be used in the network. So he gives the network address 192.168.40.0.0, and then all the interface should be configured with appropriate IP addresses, subnet mask, and the gateway. So all the devices in this network should be connected using appropriate cables. So and then we need to test the connectivities, okay, between these two subnet. All right. So I go to try myself. So this is one of the output I getting it. So basically, it's like two subnet, and then you will have the uh, uh, how to say the network subnet and then the delivery subnet, and then you need to calculate the the subnet, and then you need to put all the devices, and then you need to connect it with the cables. So I would like say this is a very good exercise because it's going to test your understanding on your theories, and also to test your understanding on the subnet, and then later on you can use this Cisco Packet Tracer to perform these simulations. Okay, so let's go to try this exercise. So one thing for sure is you have to get ready with your Cisco Packet Tracer. I assume you already able to log in, you already download, you already install it, okay, uh, and then you get ready with this interface. So then back to the questions, it's like you need to before you go to the design, you need to understand the network subnettings and so on. So with this 192.168.40.0 and two subnet, we need to calculate the subnet mask, and then we need to calculate all the network ID, broadcast ID, and then the usable host ID. So I just wrote it down myself. It's like based on the question given, network address is 192.168.40.0. So by looking at this, this is about a class C, class C. So and we need two subnet, one for account, one for delivery. So in order to calculate this, so yes, it is a formula to calculate. So 2 power n, so is equal to the number of the subnet. So 2 power n, you need to get the number is 2 because 2 is the subnet we want. So how to achieve this? So if we using an Excel, we put it down, the numbers is like 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So we need to find the one that closest, equal or closest, cannot smaller. So then we find out the n is equal to 1. So it's also mean borrowing bit for the network lah. So it borrowed the bit from the host portion. Okay, so how to get 2? So we need to 2 power 1 equal to 2. So 2 power 0 equal to 1, which is smaller, so this cannot. So 2 power 2, 4 is too big, so I think we take the closer one. So the typical type class C in for the subnet mask is subnet mask, sorry, sub subnet mask. Okay, is 255.255.255.0. If you convert to the binary, is all the ones, 8 ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 ones, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 then 0 0 0 0. So after you borrowing the bit for the network, so it will become like this. So the host will be reduced, the end will be the network will be here. So then if you convert back to the decimal, so this is the decimal. Okay, the decimal will be 255.255.128 because 2 power of 7 is 128. Correct, right? There's 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3, 2 power of 4, 2 power of 5, 2 power of 6, 2 power of 7. Okay, 2 power of 7 with 1. If 2 power of 0 is, I mean, because the bit here is 0 ma, so it's nothing lah. 2 power of 1 is 2, but then is 0 here, so it's nothing. So only this is the only one with 1. Okay, so so it's 1 to 8. So once you have this subnet mask, then you can proceed to calculate the rest. So just okay, I think I have to make it slightly a bit bigger. Just one moment. You can see it. So we need to have 2 subnet. So you know the subnet is 255.255.255.128, and the network ID, the network is 192.168.40.0. Okay, so then we need to calculate, we need to know the broadcast ID. The broadcast ID is the last IP that use the last IP, which is later can connect to the next subnet. Okay, so it's 192.168.40.127. Okay, so the range of the host is 192.168.40.1 until 192.168.40.126, because one broadcast is the last IP. Okay, then followed by another IP network here. Okay, you can see. So usually the first one is the default gateway used for the default gateway like 192.168.40.1. So once you have this first subnet, then you continue to second subnet lah. So you finish here is 127 ma, so you continue here 192.168.40.128. Okay, and then if you don't know, you can start from this one first. Okay, so basically how to calculate this, you need to know the block size of the range. So if it's 128, the block size is 64, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see if I have, yeah. So so you can see that here 192, okay, 64. Okay, just so which means if you calculate 128 plus 64, so let's say if you count, okay, 128 plus 64, okay, you know is 192. Okay, 192. So, oh, sorry. Did I think I put something wrong. So here should be one moment. One, 128. 128 is, yeah, 128 the size, sorry. So 128 plus what? So sorry, it's 128 plus 128. Yeah, it's 256. Yes, correct. 256. So 256. You apologies. The block size is 128 for this subnet. For this subnet, okay. So the you need to minus one. Okay, so 256 minus 1, 255 for the broadcast. So the usable host is 129 until 254. The default gateway will be the first one. Okay, so this is for the subnet 1, subnet 2. You need to prepare this so that later when you key into the Cisco packet tracer will be more easy. So after that, how to get this thing? This one is basically it's just the network bit. You got one portion, two portion, three portion plus one. So you will get 25. So basically the network bit, if I'm not wrong, network bit. So if you add it up, it becomes 25. Okay. So once you have this one, then you can start. Start to building it. Okay. So from here, you can just, for example, I want a router. Okay. Again, this is my sharing section on step by step. I want to try myself, see whether I can to go through this exercise lah. Okay, so you can try one machine, two machine, and then printer. Okay, and here one machine, two PC, and one printer. So this one to fulfill the requirements it's like I want at least two devices so something like this. So I mean you can make it more beautiful lah. Okay, so after that for the connections you can just use the automatic. Okay, automatic, something like this. Okay, the automatic one. So I'm going to achieve something like this. Oh, sorry, I need to have two switches. Apologies. So this one is, oh, sorry. Just cancel it. Yeah. Just cannot. I think can I just set any option? Sorry. So if I have any switches, okay, just connect first. Oh, so many. Okay. Cannot connect to that port. Oops. Let me see. Again. Okay, let's give a try again. Okay. How about this, yeah, and double check. Yeah, should be like this. It's okay. Something wrong. What if I put one more time? Just it's okay. We learn. Okay. I don't know. Something wrong. Okay. So we learn together. Okay. Yeah. This is the cable lah. Okay. Something like this. Okay. Draw. Make it beautiful. Put a circle. Put a fill. Select the color. Be green. So just say let's put it in. Yeah. Something like this. Okay. Another color. Just a blue. Okay. Ah, then you can put some label. So you can say this is count. This is the labeling. Okay. Then the author also put like 192.168.0.0/25. Okay. So this is 192.168.40.128/25. Okay. Right. So this is just like to tell you a bit difference. Okay. Now we need to start so-called configuring it. So this part I'm also quite new. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I just put aside here so that I can reference. So you need to start from the Cisco. Oh, sorry. Let's start from this. So a good thing is with this Cisco Packet Tracer, you can see, wow, you can have a chance to see all these Cisco uh, so-called router, server, everything, original size. Ooh, see, zoom out, original zoom in. You can see the things by yourself. So there's a configuration here, CLI here. So we go for some CLI lah here. So again, uh, this is my first attempt. Let's see it works or not. Okay. Uh, okay. So let me see. Did I do any? Wait, first enable. Config terminal. Okay. Interface range. So here we need to do some configuration on the router. So for example here, when you click here, okay, for example when you mouse over, you will see the the connectivity connection. There's a git 0/0, that is you can see git 0/1. So this is the like a path lah, like a point. So if you point to the switch, you will see FS 0/1. So this is FS 0/1. So if you go for the PC, you can see FS 0. So FS 0, okay, FA sorry, 0, something like this. So if you go here, you will see FS0/2, the different interface, 2, 3, 4. So you see 4, 3, 2, something like this. So we need to configure for this git. Okay, /0. Just select these two interface, and then no shutdown. Okay, then do right. Okay, exit. So this is the command I learned from the video. After that, you make sure the interface is up, then you configure again the interface git 0/0. Then you need to now is you going to the interface. IF is interface, IP address 192.168.255.255.255.128. Okay, so this is the account subnet. Okay, the first IP that we configure, which is we are following back this the one we put. Okay, the network ID, then the subnet mask, right? So we give a try. Okay, all right. After that, we need to sorry, I think I need to put back here. Okay, otherwise I can't see myself, right? So after that, we configure another interface git 0/1 git int. Oh, sorry. Need to exit first. Okay. I think do WR first, then exit. Better like this. Then interface git 0/1. Okay. In. Now IP address 192.168.40. The next one is start from the first IP address. Okay, 255.255.255.128 for the submask. Okay, and do right. Okay, exit. Okay, now we can do a checking to sh start. Okay, so you press enter. So you should be able to see you have configured the gigabit Ethernet interface 0/0, and then the gigabit Ethernet interface 0/1 for all these the IP address 192.168.1.40.1. This is the subnet mask. So 192.168.40.129. This is the subnet mask. So and then you configure it, no shutdown, something like this. So this is something I learned. So after that, you can do another thing. Is like now you need to put in the IP address. okay, for the uh, machines, so if I'm not wrong, is this. Okay, so again you can see the uh, machine now. Okay, the machine now is on, so you can put in a lot of things into this PC. Okay, I got cable, you see USB, headset, mic, LAN cable, everything. So we need to do a little bit configurations on this. So we click on the config. Okay, we go for the actually is the fast Ethernet now. Or you just simply go for desktop. You click on desktop here, IP config. Then because we this round we use static, right? So we put this is the account network, right? So we put the IP 192.168.40.2. Okay, for PC dot 2. So the subnet mask you need to put 128. Okay, the default gateway is 192.168.40.1. So basically you need to key in these three things. All right, so autosave if I'm not wrong. Once you put it's autosave, just proceed. Then now another PC, go for desktop IP configuration. So 192.168.40.3. Okay, and you use the subnet mask and the default gateway 192.168.40.1. Okay, right. So after that is the printer. The printer also the same. This you can't see the pictures lah. Oh, got original size, zoom in. This basic one lah. Okay, so you just go for configurations, fast Ethernet lah. Fast Ethernet or settings, so can. So the you put, let me see, static IP address. So this you put 192.168.40.4. Okay, subnet mask is 128. Okay, then you go for the setting, you put the gateway 192.168.40.1. Okay, so for this part you done already. So now go for the second subnet. So this one, click on the PC for desktop. So the IP address for this subnet is 192.168.40.130. Okay, if you still remember. So this is the default gateway. Sorry, it's a subnet mask, and the default gateway 192.168.40.129. Okay, because this is the first one. Okay, so then after that, second one. So you go here, IP address. So 192.168 40.131. Okay, subnet mask is 128, default gateway is 192.168.40.129. Okay, and the printer is okay, go for fast Ethernet. So cable all cable 192.168.40.132. Okay, the subnet mask 128. Then the settings 192.168.40.129. Okay, DNS, all these are no need. Right, so I believe with this configuration you can see it's all green. You can see it's green. So basically I think is done. Okay, so that is, if I'm not wrong, the switches do not really need to do anything. So Okay, so both switches do not need to configure anything. So after that, the exercise said we try to do the ping. If the ping works, so which mean is works. So for example here, you know that this PC, okay, if you see the IP address is 192.168.40.130. Okay, so if you from here, you click, you go to desktop, sorry, desktop, one moment, it's desktop, okay, one more time, click here, desktop, you go for command prompt, so you can try to ping 192.168.40.130. So from this network subnet, you ping the other net, the other subnet. So hopefully it's work. Yes, yes, it's work. Yes, it's work. So the first packet is timeout, but it's okay because just started ma. Okay, so this means from this machine able to ping this machine. Okay, so for example, this machine, if you mouse over his, the IP address is 192.168.40.3. So you can try to from this machine, you click desktop, one moment, desktop, 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 wait, click, desktop. Okay, so ping 192.168.40.3, right? 3, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So sign out. Yes, as respond. So that is a response from the machines. Okay. So this also meaning it works. Our configuration is work. Okay, we can do another test, like for example for this machine, this is dot 3, we try to ping to this printer 132, okay, from here, click again, you can ping 192.168.40.132, the printer. So we try to see. Okay, it works. Alright, so actually you can just continue ping 192.168.40.130, the first machine, so you can see its response. Okay, the second machine is ping 192.168.40.131. Okay, so I'm using this machine to ping the other side everything. Okay, so I mean here, let me see, this is like 432, right? So you can use this machine, click here, you can ping 192.168.40.2. So you can see this works. Okay, dot 2, dot 3 from the other side, ping the other side. Then 4, this first time, just wait for a while. Okay, so with this exercise, so I think we managed to achieve the we achieved the exercise. Okay, so you can file save as, just put to the download, just say simple office networking project test 2, something like that, completed. Up to you. This is just my name. Okay, so you will get a file. All right, so they also like teaching like how to add a a simple PDU, but I think it's something like this. You just um, press this, but for example, you give this here, then you need to go to, for example, I go here, try, I don't know, go here, okay? Then you can go for the simulation. Then let's see it works or not. I mean, I don't know. Just give a try. So you can see, go. Then will it grow? Ah, yeah, it will. Can see, go. Then it will go to the another subnet. Then it go yeah side. So this might a good presentation for you guys. And he replied. So now you can see clearly the how this packet flow. Uh, uh, so yeah, so it flow back. Okay, so this is how our 0 and 1 is working. So you can see the arrow here. Okay, so it's done. So you just stop it lah. So I think uh, that's all for this exercise. My sharing section is stopping here. So I hope you guys learn something. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. So I'm going to stop.